Today we are going to see the next topic, that is principal component analysis, which we called it as a PCA. Okay, now first of all, what is the use of this PCA and why this PCA come into picture, that we will see. So in previous lecture we saw the example of training and testing model, and in training model we are finding the training data set and all, right? So while doing the training, what happened, overfitting problem comes. What is overfitting problem? So many attributes during the training phase, there are many attributes present at the training phase, right, which will confuse the model to build, right? So which is what? The overfitting problem. So to reduce this overfitting problem, the concept called principal component analysis come into the picture. Okay, so what is the need of this? So to solve the problem of overfitting. What is overfitting? Many attributes during the training phase which will confuse the building of model. So to solve this, there is one, that is PCA. Okay, now if we plot, now we'll see how it works. Okay, if we plot x and y dimension, if we consider, and if we plot one line in between that which consists of various attributes, so how it works, that we are going to see. Okay, so here we are considered two axes, that is x and y dimension we have considered, and one line is drawn. This line can be called as the model or function trying to reach to the every point. Okay, so these are the various points, or these are the various features that that is present in your data set, and these are the two dimensions that we have considered. Now we can see that this line is passing through each and every, by covering each and every point from this feature set. Okay, which we called it as a overfitting, right? What happens in underfitting? अंडरफिटिंग में जो भी लाइन हम लोग ड्रॉ करते हैं वो किसी भी तरह से वो जा सकती है, स्ट्रेट लाइन होगी ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है, किसी भी इसमें वो जा सकती है, किसी भी शेप में, लाइक दिस, in any shape it can goes. So what happen in this case, सारे पॉइंट्स जो है वो कवर नहीं हो पाएंगे. So that is what underfitting. So in overfitting, that is what, कि एक लाइन में क्या होगा, सारे जो फीचर्स है वो कवर हो सकते हैं. So this we have considered as a line, which we called it as a model, or which we called it as a function. Okay, or which we can call it as a hypothesis also, right? Now what happens after that, PCA और ये जो है PCA, ये क्या करता है, इट विल कन्वर्ट द हाई डायमेंशनलिटी इनटू द सेट ऑफ लो डायमेंशनलिटी. ये जो हाई डायमेंशनलिटी में शो किया है, इट विल कन्वर्ट इट इनटू द लो डायमेंशनलिटी बाय कंसिडरिंग दिस टू फीचर्स. अभी ये कैसे करता है, सो ये कैसे करता है, दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. ओके, सो if we see this line from the top, okay, अगर हम लोग इस एंगल से इस लाइन को अगर व्यू करते हैं, इट कैन बी सीम्स लाइक दिस, और वी कैन से हियर लाइक दिस line with some points on that line and some points near to that line, so which we called it as a principal component 1. So हमने क्या किया, इस लाइन को और इस ओवरफिटिंग प्रॉब्लम को एक व्यू से सी करके हमने उसे रिड्यूस कर दिया टू द वन डायमेंशन. सो टू डायमेंशन को हमने किस में कन्वर्ट कर दिया है, रिड्यूस कर दिया है वन डायमेंशन में. ठीक है, लेकिन अगर हम लोग यहाँ से अगर व्यू करते हैं, ठीक है, तो क्या दिखेगा, वन डॉट दिखेगा, ऐसे लगेगा आपको, राइट? बट ये जो है अंडरस्टैंडिंग के एक डॉट दिखेगा, दैट इज़ रॉन्ग. इन दिस केस ये कैसे दिखेगा, इट विल बी seems like this, one line on which certain dots are there, और which we can see like this कि ये जो है ऐसे लाइन हम लोग टेम्पररी खींचेंगे और यहाँ से हम लोग क्या करेंगे, ऐसे लाइंस खींचेंगे, राइट? सो इट विल seems like this, एक लाइन है उसके ऊपर पॉइंट है. सो हमने फिर से क्या किया, टू डायमेंशन को वन डायमेंशन में रिड्यूस किया, विच वी कॉल्ड इट एज अ प्रिंसिपल कंपोनेंट 2. Now, so how many number of principal components here we have to find out? That is depend on the number of principal component is less than or equal to the number of attributes given. Now यहाँ पे अगर दो attributes given है, दो dimension given है, then कितने हो सकते हैं principal component? maximum 2 हो सकते हैं, less than or equal to that attributes given. Clear? सो इसीलिए हमने क्या किया, डायमेंशनलिटी रिडक्शन यहाँ पे यूज़ किया है. नाउ नेक्स्ट कंसेप्ट इज़, अगर प्रिंसिपल कंपोनेंट मोर देन 2 है, ठीक है, जैसे PC1, PC2, PC3, PC4 ऐसे हमने दिया है, तो किसको पहले प्रायोरिटी दी जाए? सो हमेशा याद रखिए यहाँ पे प्रायोरिटी वी हैव टू गिव टू द PC1 टू द हाइएस्ट प्रायोरिटी, एंड थ्रू दिस PC1 वी कैन रिड्यूस इट टू द नेक्स्ट लेवल. सो रिडक्शन कैन बी हैपन लाइक दिस वे. Okay, so in this way we have to overcome the problem of overfitting by the reduction method by using the PCA. ठीक है. So as the dimensionality get reduced, it will reduce the complexity also. ठीक है. Now third concept comes here. Here is the orthogonal property. Okay, so what is orthogonal property? So all principal components should not be dependent on one another, right? So that is the orthogonal property. For example, PC1 should not be dependent on the PC2, or PC2 should not be dependent on the PC1. So this is all about the basics of principal component analysis. In next lecture we will see the numerical based on this PCA.